Hey guys, Godzilla here. I'm back for another unboxing video, and we're going to be unboxing, or continuing where we left off, I should say. So, the next one, the red shirt in this bag, is the Godzilla vs. Kong, Godzilla vs. Kong official white logo shirt. So it's blue. I just thought I'd give these kind of shirts in blue because blue is my favorite color. So here it is. And as usual, I'm going to cut the tags off because I don't like tags. They're annoying, let's just say. So I'm probably gonna put this on soon. Here it is. Godzilla's in the way. Yeah, this is Godzilla vs. Kong. Yeah, I'm gonna go put this on right about now. So I'll pause this and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, here it is. Here is the Godzilla vs. Kong shirt. I like it. It says Godzilla vs. Kong. And here's my other one. Has basically Godzilla King Monsters. So that is all for this unboxing video. I have one more strategy unboxing video, and we'll see from there. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. What team are you on? Team Godzilla? Team Kong? I'm on Team Godzilla, but I do respect Team Kong. Kong fans too. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.